Welcome to episode 67 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to be talking about the MIXOLYDIAN scale. And what the heck is the MIXOLYDIAN scale? What it is a scale based on the fifth note of the major scale. So if you think about just a major scale and go up 5 notes, and then from there continue on the major scale, that is the MIXOLYDIAN scale. So what I'm going to be showing you is the A MIXOLYDIAN scale. What this is that you're in the key of D, but you're starting on the note of A. So there's your D there, and your D major scale. Instead, you're playing the same notes, but you're starting on A. That's the A MIXOLYDIAN scale. And the chord that goes with this scale is the A7. All of those notes work over an A7 chord. So I'm going to show the 2-octave A major MIXOLYDIAN scale. The MIXOLYDIAN scale is a major scale. It differs from the regular major scale just in the 7th. So start at the beginning. So far it's exactly like the regular major scale. But there it's different. Instead of going, it goes. Hear the difference? That's the regular major scale. That's the MIXOLYDIAN scale. And it's a great scale. You can use it over the blues. And again, over any A7 chord or any any music that's based, any part of a song that's based on a 7th chord, you can use this scale. But it's really good just to get it under your fingers, start getting used to hearing a slightly different sound. And in another lesson, a future lesson, I'll go more about using it in soloing. But here I'm just going to show you the 2-octave version of this scale first. It has a bit of a stretch there at the end, which is also good for the fingers, of course. And coming back down. Once again. Going down. Okay, I'm going to show it in first position as well. I think learning scales in first position is really important because you get to know sort of the idiosyncrasies of playing a certain scale over a very certain note. Rather than just always being stuck in the pattern of moving these scales around like this, to get to really know each note of the scale and each particular scale and what's cool about it. So here's the A MIXOLYDIAN scale in first position. And going back down. Again, I'll do it really slow. And I'm using open strings. Note the open strings, and that's one of the idiosyncrasies about playing a scale in first position. You start to learn those open strings and can really use them. They're very useful when you're looking for interesting colors when you're soloing. So, and back down again. And I'll play just over an A7 chord just to reinforce that sound. Again, the MIXOLYDIAN scale, and again I'll be covering in a future lesson more about using this in soloing. For now, it's just a great exercise and a great scale to learn. So let me know any comments or questions below, and thanks for watching.